Hey crafty people, it's Tasha here for Trinity Stamps. Today I'm doing a product close-up for the Season's Greetings Cut and Foil die set. This is a really versatile sentiment set comprising of a pair of hot foil plates and then 2 sets of dies. So here I'm showing you the Seasons and Greetings hot foil plates. These measure 3 inch by 1 inch and 3.4 inch by 1.2 inch respectively. So they're a really great size for both A2 and 5x7 cards, but they will also fit within the slimline and mini slimline size products that Trinity already carry. Then here we have the dies, which work with the foil plates, but they also work without. So the script words will cut the foiled words out perfectly with no white space, or the shadow dies will cut them with a white border. These dies can also be used without the foil plates for a traditional die cut sentiment with or without shadow. So here are some examples of what the design team have been making with these awesome sentiments. So we hope that you love them as much as we do. Have a lovely, happy, safe and wonderful week. Stay crafty. Bye.